Have you ever wondered why localhost always points to 127.0.0.1? The reason is not random. It's a piece of internet history cleverly encoded in binary. Every day you type localhost, but have you ever wondered why it's always 127.0.0.1? The number isn't random. It's a leftover from a crucial networking decision that prevents address conflicts. Localhost is just a host name that resolves to your own machine. It uses the loopback interface, so your computer can talk to itself without network hardware. This is why developers use it for testing. Before any DNS request, your operating system checks a local file called hosts. This file contains simple mappings, like localhost to 127.0.0.1. That direct lookup is the reason it resolves so quickly. Open your host file, and you'll see a line mapping localhost to 127.0.0.1. This classic entry is present on almost every operating system, establishing the loopback address as the standard way for a computer to refer to itself. The 127.0.0.1 address is known as the loopback address. It's a virtual network interface that sends all outgoing traffic right back to your own machine. No external network involved. Packets sent to 127.0.0.1 never leave your computer. The operating system routes them directly back to the application, bypassing external networks. This loopback mechanism ensures fast, secure testing without network hardware. The loopback address is crucial for developers. It allows testing web servers locally, quickly, and securely, no internet needed. That's why it's a cornerstone of local development. It's not just a single address. The entire 127.0.0.0/8 block, more than 16 million IPs, is reserved for loopback. Any address in that range sends traffic directly back to your own machine. In 1989, RFC 1122 defined the 127.0.0.0/8 block as the loopback network. From this range, 127.0.0.1 was chosen as the default localhost address, and it remains so. Why 127? In binary, it's 0111111, all ones except the leading 0. That made it the highest address in the first Class A block, a perfect, memorable symbol for self and loopback. When you type localhost 3000, your system checks the host file first. There, localhost maps to 127.0.0.1, routing traffic straight to the loopback interface, no DNS needed. The host file immediately returns 127.0.0.1. No DNS server is ever contacted. Your browser connects to your own machine, allowing development without network dependency. Your browser opens a TCP connection to port 3000 at 127.0.0.1. Since it's the loopback address, the operating system instantly routes the traffic back to itself, no network hardware needed. Your Node.js server on port 3000 instantly processes the request and sends back a response. No network latency, just pure speed. When you use localhost, there is no router, no ISP, no physical network involved. The entire data exchange stays completely within your computer, making it incredibly fast and secure for local development. Since the loopback interface never leaves your machine, latency is measured in microseconds. Compare that to the public internet, where routing can introduce delays of milliseconds or even full seconds. Beyond speed, localhost offers a critical security benefit. Since loopback traffic never touches the network, your applications are isolated, perfect for safely testing authentication, payment processing, and other sensitive features. In their daily workflow, developers use localhost for React, Node.js, Flask, Docker, databases, and API development, all safely on their own machine before going live. Every request to localhost makes a full network trip through the TCP/IP stack without ever leaving your computer. The OS uses the loopback interface to route the packets right back to the same machine, effectively turning it into a self-talking machine. The kernel creates a virtual network interface just for loopback traffic. When you connect to 127.0.0.1, data goes through this virtual device and comes right back, never leaving your machine's software. When you ping 127.0.0.1, data travels down the network stack through transport and IP layers. Then the loopback interface sends it right back up, all inside your operating system software. No physical network involved. So next time you type 127.0.0.1, remember it's a reserved loopback address that never leaves your machine. Keep exploring how your tools really work. Today you learned localhost equals 127.0.0.1 because it is a reserved loopback address, part of a special block that keeps all traffic inside your machine. Next time you use localhost, appreciate this clever design. Subscribe to uncover more secrets behind everyday technology.